Good morning, everyone. So we have already started the chapter number 11, adverb clauses. Okay. Uh, Adverb means add to the meaning of a verb, adverb and adjectives. Then the three types: place, time, place, and purpose. Okay. How the action is done, when the action is done, or where the action is done, and what purpose action is done. It calls adverb clause. Okay, clause means which has a subject and predicate and its work like an adverb. It's called an adverb clause. So here the fourth type is adverb clause of reason. Okay, there is a difference between reason and result. Okay, so remember, don't be confused between the result and reason. So here adverb clause of reason. Okay, and remember these conjunctions. Adverb clause of reason are introduced by the subordinating conjunctions as seen, because, that, okay, because that, who, because he, okay, which, because it, etc. For the example, as he was feeling ill, he went home. So as he was feeling ill, the action is not completed. It is not. It means the action will be happen. Okay. So as he was feeling ill, he went home. I am glad that you have come. Okay, because that. Sing, you are my friend, I shall help you. Okay. He could not attend the birthday party because he was indisposed. Indisposed means ill. Clear? So it's a adverb clause of reason. And remember these conjunctions as seen, because, that, because of it, which, because of it, okay, who, because of he. So it shows us the reason of the verb, okay, action, reason of the action, why the action is done. Adverb clause of reason means why the action is done. Okay, now the fifth number is adverb clause of condition. Okay, अगर तू मेरे साथ ये करेगा तो मैं तेरे साथ ये वो करूँगा, like that. So adverb clause of conditions are introduced by the subordinating conjunctions if, whether, unless, in case, as if, provided, or provided that, so long as, etc. Okay. For example, A. If it rains, we shall stay at home. अगर बारिश गिरेगी तो हम घर पे ही रुकेंगे. Okay. So I shall sing provided that you also join me. मैं तभी गाऊंगा अगर तुम साथ दो, है ना, गाने में. As the principal was not there, I spoke to the clerk. Okay, so it's a condition. अगर ये परिस्थिति होगी तभी मैं ये काम करूंगा. Okay, so it's a adverb clause of condition. Here are the more example for the condition. Unless you put in our waste, unless we put in our waste, we shall not win the World Cup. In case you miss the train, send me a telegram. Okay, so it's an adverb clause of condition. Now here is the result, effect, or consistency. Both the meanings are, it is the similar words. Okay, so adverb clause of result are introduced by the subordinating conjunction that. So that in our further chapter number 6, infinitives, participles and gerunds, है ना, इसके अंदर भी हमने so that ये देखा. So which is often proceed by a principal clause, okay, or such as in a principal clause. Okay, so जो है वो principal clause के अंदर होगा, और that it indicates the result. So like he is so poor that, so he is so poor, so it is in a principal clause. And what is our adverb clause of result? That he cannot study further. So our clause is that he cannot study further, and so is in our principal clause. It is a subordinating clause. Okay, now the number B. So hot was it that May died. Okay, our new teacher speaks in such a low voice that very few of can follow him. So that very few of us can follow him. It is our clause. It is adverb clause of result. That is why we, है ना, that is why we very few of us can follow him. And our new teacher speaks in such, okay, it is in our main clause or a principal clause. He works so hard. He works so hard. It is our main clause. So is in our principal clause. And that we want the scholarship. That we want the scholarship. It is our adverb clause of result. Clear? Now the last one is adverb clause of comparison. We have already familiar with the degree. There are three types of degree: positive, comparative, and superlative. So here it is the adverb clause of. It is not a superlative degree. Okay. एडवर्ब जो है वो पॉजिटिव और कंपैरेटिव में ही यूज हाउ लेट्स लिसन सो एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ कंपैरिजन आर ऑफ टू काइंड्स रिमेंबर दिस आल्सो एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ कंपैरिजन आर ऑफ दिस काइंड टू काइंड्स द फर्स्ट वन इज एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ कंपैरिजन ऑफ डिग्री okay adverb clause of comparison of degree are introduced by the subordinating conjunction then it means a comparative degree he is taller than that like that then or by relative adverbs as much as, no less than, etc. Like if I say he is as tall as his brother. Okay, he is as tall as his brother. So as tall it is our adverb here. Okay, as tall as his brother. So this as tall as, it means it's a positive. It is not a comparative between two things. Both the boys are same in a size. Okay, so that is why it is a positive degree, not a comparative degree. Comparative degree means what? एक चीज एक से बड़ी है या छोटी है, लेकिन यहाँ पे अगर दोनों बात एक ही तरीके की है, okay, so there is no comparison. It's a positive degree because we had not add er or est or more. Okay, so as tall as, remember if it is a negative then so tall is. So she is taller than her brother. Okay, er is here and then is here. It is a comparative degree. It's an adverb clause of comparison. Okay, between she and her brother. She is taller than her brother. Okay. Now number 2 is he is not so stupid as you think. He is not so stupid as you think. So stupid. Okay, so and as, so as and stupid. It is negative, that's why so stupid. If it is a positive, that's why so as. Okay. Now number 3 is you eat as much as she eats. So as much as. Okay. So it is a positive, that's why as. Okay. And adverb clause of comparison of manner means how the action is done. Okay. Though it's a second type of comparison of clauses comparison are of two kinds. So first is degree and second is manner. Adverb clause of comparison of manner or extent are introduced by the relative adverbs. Okay, here is not a conjunction. It is introduced by the relative adverbs as if, as though, as far as, so far, etc. As you show, shall you reap. है ना, जैसा बोगे वैसा पाओगे और जैसा बोगे वैसा खाओगे. Whatever. Now, as far as I know, she is an excellent teacher. As far as I know. Okay. The higher we go, the cooler it is. You may do as you please. So these are the example of adverb clause of manner. How the action is done. Okay, like as far as I know. How you know? As far as I know, she is an excellent teacher. Okay. So remember the thing is the verb of the adverb clause of comparison is often understood, not expressed. Okay. How? Like he works no less than nobody else does. Okay. So it is not compulsory to write does. हम लिखते भी नहीं है वैसा. Like nobody knows it better than I do. So do लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके कॉमेडी लिखेंगे तो भी कोई गलत नहीं होगा, लेकिन जनरली भी ऐसा नहीं लिखते. I like her more than you like her. He is more energetic than I am. So I am लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. Okay, so remember that point. She is taller than her sister. Okay, now the last one is adverb clause of supposition or contrast. Supposition or contrast. Contrast means विरोधी भाव दर्शाना. Okay, and supposition means अनुमान करना ऐसा कुछ. So the adverb clause of supposition or contrast are introduced by the subordinating conjunction the, although, else, even if, okay, however, etc. Though he is poor, he is honest. है ना, वो गरीब है फिर भी ऑनेस्ट है. सो दोनों सेंटेंस में कॉन्ट्रास्ट बताता है. सो इट इज द एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ कॉन्ट्रास्ट. आई शैल बी एबल टू रीच द स्कूल इन टाइम ऑल्दो आई हैव नो कन्वेंस. इट्स मींस अ व्हीकल ना, मेरे पास कोई व्हीकल नहीं है फिर भी मैं स्कूल पर टाइम पर पहुंच जाऊंगा. सो कॉन्ट्रास्ट बताता है. ओके, इवन इफ इट रेन्स आई शैल अटेंड माय एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस. अगर बारिश होगी फिर भी मैं अपना एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस ज्वाइन करूंगा और अटेंड करूंगा. However hard you may try, you cannot win this game. Okay, so it shows us a contrast between two sentences. So it is adverb clause of supposition or of contrast. Now here is your exercise. The first one I will tell you the answer and rest of all you will have to do it. Underline the adverb clause in the following sentences and state their kinds. Okay, so here I am so tired that I can hardly walk. So I am so dead and that I can hardly walk. It is our clause. Okay, and so that it is adverb clause of result. Okay, so rest of all you will have to solve it. Then the next exercise is for the complete the sentences using by suitable adverb clauses. So you can put it here or write it here. Any clauses: result, purpose, manner, time. Okay, degree. He makes friends wherever he goes. Okay, or wherever he needs. When he need. ऐसा भी हम लिख सकते हैं. So wherever he goes. Okay, so it is very easy. And before that chapter, phrases and clauses we have done already this type of exercise. So you have to identify here the adverb clause and their types. Okay, it is enough for today. This is your homework. Thank you very much and have a good day.